Okay children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 10, tens and hundreds. In your practice book, page number 63, question number 3, as first two questions I had already informed you and made you explain how to solve. So coming on to question number 3, convert into millimeter. Before I come on to the conversion, please remember millimeter is a smaller unit compared to centimeter. So centimeter is bigger, millimeter is smaller. When we convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, like when I convert centimeter to millimeter, we always go with multiplication. When a bigger unit is multiplied to convert into smaller unit, when a bigger unit is converted into a smaller unit, it is always multiplied. So the question is convert into millimeter, and the given sum is 0.4 centimeter. Now centimeter unit is bigger than millimeter. Here one thing more I want to tell. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Sorry, I have written here 100, but it is 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter makes 10 millimeter. Okay. Now, this is a fixed unit that I cannot, or not even you also cannot change. This is a standard unit what you have to remember. So 1 centimeter makes 10 millimeter. Now I start with the sum. Centimeter and millimeter. Two units are used for question number 3. One in the question centimeter is given and you have to convert into millimeter. So 1 centimeter makes 10 meters. So how many centimeters are given? 0.4 centimeter. We need to convert into millimeter. So in the unit of millimeter I have made a question mark. So in a cross multiplication 0.4 will be multiplied with 10. So answer is 40 or 4 millimeter. Clear? Now question number 2 and 4 are given in the homework. Same way question number 3, 9 centimeter is given, you have to convert into millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 9 centimeter means how much millimeter? So 9 into 10, 90 millimeter. Same way question number 4. Now see here, convert into centimeter. What we need to convert into centimeter? The given is millimeter. Millimeter is smaller, centimeter is bigger. Now when a smaller unit is converted into bigger unit, we have to go with division. Again I repeat, when a smaller unit like millimeter is get converted into centimeter, that is higher unit, it has to be divided. So centimeter and millimeter. You know that 1 centimeter makes 10 millimeter. So now we want to convert 3 millimeter into centimeter. So 3 divided by 10. Now actually how to make a decimal fraction? Children, please just look it here. 3 upon 10. Right? So in the denominator total how many digits I have? 2. That is 1 and 0. In the numerator I have only one digit, that is 3. Now what I will do? I will add 0 before 3. Always when you add to convert a simple fraction into decimal, we need to add 0 if required before the number in the numerator. So 3 upon 10. Right? Now in 10, I have 2 digits, so I made the numerator also equal with 2 digits. 1, 2, 1, 2 by adding 0 before 3. Now in 10 I have 1, 0. So in the numerator you count 1 digit from the right side. This is the right side. So this is 1. After counting 1 you have to keep a decimal point. This is how your answer comes 0.3 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, again 2 and 3 are in the homework to make it more clear. The fourth one is 30 millimeter, 1 centimeter, again 10 millimeter. So what about if 30 millimeter is given, convert into centimeter? 30 divided by 10. Now see here, in 30 I have 1 0, in 10 also I have 1 0. So this 0 and this 0 will be cut out as a common zeros and my answer is 3 centimeter. Coming on to question number 5. Convert into centimeter and millimeter. See, these two things are given in the sum. It's very easy. Before decimal, there will be a bigger unit. Now you know in cm and mm, that is centimeter and millimeter. Centimeter is bigger. So before decimal, the number will be centimeter, and after decimal the number will be millimeter. So 5 will be centimeter and 6 will be millimeter. That's all you have to do. You are not supposed to solve the sum like this. 6.5. So before decimal, that is the number 6, which comes before decimal is centimeter, and after decimal point, that is 5, will be your millimeter. Again, do sums in the homework. Now convert into centimeter. What we need to convert? Here m is given, not mm. M means meter. Right now meter becomes bigger and centimeter becomes smaller. So 1 meter makes how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So convert meter into centimeter. So bigger unit we need to convert into smaller unit by multiplication. So 1 meter 100 centimeter. So what about if it is given 6 meter? 6 into 100 will be 600 centimeter. 2 and 3 of question number 6 in the homework. Question number 4. 24 meter. Convert into centimeter. 1 meter 100 centimeter. 24 meter means 24 into 100, that is 2400 centimeter. Hopefully this is clear to you. Coming on to question number 7. Convert into meter. Now what we need to convert? Centimeter into meter. Now children, you know very well centimeter is a smaller unit, meter is a bigger unit. So when we need to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we go with the division method. We have to convert 800 centimeter into meter. So 1 meter makes 100 centimeter. So what if 800 centimeter is given? 800 will be divided by 100. The number which is written opposite to question mark will be your numerator and 100 will go into the denominator. See, in 100 2 zeros, in 800 also 2 zeros, cut the common zeros, your answer is 8 meter. But this is the way what we are solving the sum. Coming on to question number 4, as I had given 1 and 3 in the homework, 2000 centimeter, 1 meter, again 100 centimeter. So what if I have 2000 centimeters? So 2000 will be divided by 100. Now children, have a look here. In 100 I have 2 zeros, in 2000 I have 3 zeros. But as 2 zeros are there in 100 as common, so I can cut only 2 zeros in 2000. So I got 2 zeros of 100 and 2 zeros of 2000. So my answer is still having 1 zero in it, that is 20 meter. Okay, the number which is given before the unit, this is centimeter. So I have written 8 and 100 into centimeter only. I cannot write into meter. Just please have a look at that. Question number 8. Convert into meter and centimeter. Now here they had given convert into meter and centimeter. The answer question is 150 centimeter. So the centimeter is already given. I cannot convert it into centimeter. So what I will do? Meter and centimeter. I will convert the smaller unit into bigger, into meter. So 1 meter 100 centimeter. So what about 150 centimeters? See, I have written it below centimeter only as it is given in centimeters. So 150 divided by 100. 1 zero will cut out in 100 and 1 zero common in 150 will cut out. Now 15 upon 10 is remaining. Now again, as I explained you earlier, in the numerator I have 2 digits, in the denominator also I have 2 digits. So I did not need to add 0. So only I have to keep a decimal point. In 10 I have 1 0. So from the right I will count 1 digit, that is 5, and after immediately I will keep a decimal point. So for my answer is 1.5 meter. That means before decimal point the number 1 will be meter and after decimal point the number 5 will be centimeter. 2 and 3 in the homework. I will continue further with the more sums.